Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. In continuation to the existing video, today I am going to show you the new advertisement launched by Union Public Service Commission, that is advertisement 04/2021, in which there are new vacancies for the law graduates and they can apply in the Central Bureau of Investigation for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor and Public Prosecutor. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and watch the entire video and press the bell icon for the future notifications and videos. For this, what are the details of this post? So on that, first we have to open upsc.com, on which advertisement 404/2021. When we'll click on this document, we will find this advertisement number 04/2021, which is uploaded just now before some time on the UPSC website. And here we can see that there are vacancies which has been notified by the UPSC in relation to the law graduates who can apply for the said post. We can see that number 4 vacancy number 21020404227, that is 43 vacancies of post of Public Prosecutor and CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, out of which SC vacancies are 4, ST vacancies are 01, OBCs are 08, EWS quota is 04 and UR is 26. Out of all these 43 vacancies, PWBD vacancies is 01. So now the next question is, what is the eligibility and qualification? These vacancies would be in the pay scale of level 10, that is the starting would be 56,100 in the 7th pay commission, and that is group A gazetted post. And the maximum age requirement for the general category is 35 years of age. For the OBC, central OBC, for the people who hold the central OBC certificate, 38 years. For the SC/ST, it is 40 years. What are the qualifications? First is degree in law of a recognized university and 7-year practice at a bar in conducting criminal cases. So for a candidate who wants to apply for the post of Public Prosecutor in Central Bureau of Investigation on this pay scale in this category, needs to have a minimum age of 35 in the general category. For SC/ST, it is 40 years maximum on the closing date, and for OBC who holds a central OBC certificate, 8 years of age to apply for this post. First is degree in law of a recognized university, 7-year practice at a bar in the conducting criminal cases. So minimum 7 years practice is required for this. Now comes to the posting would be in this post would be CBI headquarters at Delhi. However, the candidate are liable to serve anywhere in India. That means they can be transferred to any court of India, and their duties would be responsible for conducting the prosecution of cases in the court, to attend matters arising or of pertaining to court cases referenced, and to give legal advice in respect of cases investigated by the branch. Public prosecutor will also attend to other work as prescribed by the department from time to time. Next post is vacancy number 21020405227, that is 26 vacancies for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor in CBI. That is, how much vacancies are there? 26. Out of 26 vacancies, SC vacancies are 04, ST vacancies are 02, OBC's vacancies are 05, EWS quota is 02 and unreserved vacancies are 13. Out of all 23 vacancies, PWBD category vacancies are 03. That means out of the 26 vacancies, these are the differentiation of the vacancies. In this, the pay scale would be level 7 of 7th pay commission, and the maximum age is 30 years. Please note that this is also a gazetted job, in which you will be getting the 6th pay commission pay scale would be 9300 4600 if you will compare it with the 6th pay commission. And the public prosecutor post, the pay commission as per 6th pay commission is 15,600 5400, that is starting of group A officer. And this is starting of group B gazetted post, that is the 9300 would be the basic and 4600 would be the grade pay. So the maximum qualification for this category is 30 years for general category, that is unreserved, 33 years for these people who are holding central OBC certificate, and 35 years for SC and ST vacancies. In this, what is our requirement? It is first is degree in law of a recognized university, and it is to be noted that there is no experience required in this post at a bar. That means even a fresh law graduate, a fresh graduate who is holding an LLB degree can also apply for these posts. In this post, the duties would be assistant public prosecutor will be responsible for conducting the prosecution of cases in the court, to attend matter arising of or pertaining to court cases, references, and to give legal advice in respect of cases investigated by the branch. APP will also attend to other work as prescribed by the department. The headquarters are again the Delhi and can be liable to be transferred to any post anywhere in India, to any place in India. So these are the two vacancies which has been notified by the UPSC through advertisement 04/2021, and for this the last date for to apply in this post would be, we can show you the last date. The closing date for this is 23:59 hours of 18th of March 2021. That is 18th March 2021 up to 11:59 night. We can apply for this post, and the last date for printing the completed submitted online application would be 11:59 hours of 19th of March. That is maximum till next date. That means people who intended to apply for these posts need to apply in the complete in all respect, including the payment. All the documents and everything needs to be uploaded on the website by 18th of March till 23:59 hours, and after that they can even take the printout by the by next day, that is 19th of March. So these are the very good vacancies which has been notified by UPSC, and now it is a good opportunity for the fresh law graduates and the people who have got expertise in the bar and after holding the LLB degree. So now I request all the people to kindly subscribe to the channel and continue watching the entire video for the and press the bell icon for the future notification and videos in this respect. And also please make note that these are the group both the posts are the gazetted post, that is gazetted officer. Even in group A they would be getting a minimum of 56,100 in the 7th pay commission, and the 6th pay commission 15,600, 5,400, and for the APP post they will be getting 9,300, 4,600 grade pay. In addition to that, other allowances are also there which will be given by the CBI for these posts, and the primarily work would be the conducting the prosecution cases and to be dealing with the cases launched in the court of law by the CBI branch. So we have to make sure that, and there would be a written test for this exam which will be conducted along with the APP, Assistant Public Prosecutor of Delhi Government Exam. So please make note, all the candidates are required to make a note that these two exams may be going to conduct on the same day, and the same exam may will come, and they have to qualify in order to appear for the interview, and after which the successful candidate who would be interviewed and would be shortlisted will get the job. So thank you for watching the entire video. Thank you very much, and keep posting your comments and keep telling me anything new, anything extra, anything doubt, any doubt if arisen out of this vacancy or the existing one. You can post your comments in that. I'll be posting a clarification about it and will definitely tell you what are the further steps in case if anybody is feeling problem in those. Thank you very much.